In the next videos, you will be introduced to several basic features of geography and the tools geographers use. So welcome to your first step on the path of becoming a geographer. The word geography comes from Greek and it means to write about the Earth. Let's consider that much of geography is viewed from spatial perspective. The spatial perspective examines the relationship of both human and natural phenomena to a physical location. In other words, geographers focus on why and where things are arranged the way they are on the surface of the Earth. Some of the key words you might want to remember are longitude, latitude, GPS, hemisphere, meridian, prime meridian, equator. Since you will be using maps and globes throughout this course, you will need to have the solid understanding on how to use the basic tools for indicating world location with certainty. Geographers use latitude and longitude to measure distances on the Earth and create a global grid. So we will be using latitudes and longitudes to specify virtually any point of the Earth. Latitude tells us how far north or south a place is. Lines of latitude go sideways across the Earth, like the equator. The equator is 0 degrees latitude. Latitude goes from 0 degrees up to 90 degrees in both directions, north and south. Longitude lines, also known as meridians, go up and down from the North Pole to the South Pole. They tell us how far east or west a place is from the prime meridian, which is at the 0 degrees longitude. Both latitude and longitude are measured in degrees, which are in turn divided into minutes and seconds. Latitude and longitude lines cross each other to form grids on maps and globes. This grid helps us find exact places on the Earth. So if you combine one line of latitude with one line of longitude, you will find the precise point. This exact point is called an absolute location. People use absolute location for GPS, maps, flying planes, and finding places all over the world. We will look at some examples to help you understand how and why we use these imaginary lines all the time to get an absolute location. So let's get started. If we look 38 degrees, 53 minutes and 42 seconds north and 77 degrees, 2 minutes and 11 seconds west, hello, this is Washington. Next, 48 degrees, 51 minutes and 24 seconds north, 2 degrees, 21 minutes and 3 seconds east. Bonjour, c'est Paris. 41 degrees, 53 minutes and 24 seconds north, 12 degrees, 29 minutes, 32 seconds east. Ciao, sono Roma. And last, 35 degrees, 41 minutes and 22 seconds north, 139 degrees, 41 minutes and 30 seconds east. Konnichiwa, Tokyo desu. I hope you liked this video, and if you want to find out more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!